Hi, welcome to the Market Alert for Thursday, the 18th of October 2018. So the pound moves higher off the 200 bar moving average. You see the market tested as well. Previous bar we saw some selling, so if they're selling around, they test it. Support at the 200 bar moving average, market moves higher. See some buying. Then we hit the DP level and we hit resistance. We see some selling. And then we get the sell signal, and we then see the market move to the downside here. You can have that. So the market trades down to the scalp, which is also the low of Tuesday. Market hits the resistance there at 131.50, the psychological level, and then trades all the way down to the 131 there you see, before the market bounces. So this market's range yesterday, playing off the psychological levels, is a total of 58 pips on the pound there. So the market's showing some sort of weakness, and you can see this in the daily chart. We spoke about this yesterday. The market struggling with the 132.12. The market also coming off the high on Tuesday as well, and then Wednesday moving lower. Now this chart's not up to date. Let me just reload this. Now that's more like it. So yesterday the market lower, and also lower on the overnight. As I've said before, this Brexit thing at the moment is creating the volatility in this market, and no doubt we're going to see prices move lower as they can't decide on whether there's a deal or no deal. Simple as that, really. And news for today, what have we got? Retail sales out in the UK, Euro Summit, and that's it for the news. Meanwhile, in the Dow yesterday, starting off on the intraday, we had a sell from the start. The market moving low, you'll see here, straight through the scalp. Market came back towards the entry price there, and then eventually again down to a psychological level. Once we broke the DP, you can see how the market came back here, and then it became a resistance area there, and then the market continued to move lower until they tested it. And of course they're going to test it, they're going to try and bring it back and keep this market to the upside. And yeah, I mean, it's goes without saying, really. There was a second signal, but you're already short the first. The market's moved up here. I don't know why the signal's so late on this. It doesn't know about the 200 bar moving average. That's something that's added recently, or following the, I won't say recently, this has been a long time, but it's not, doesn't make up part of the signal. But interesting to see that that signal appears there. The market then trading sideways throughout the afternoon. We then see the selling coming in to the previous day's close. One last shout to the upside there before the close. So this trade is a losing trade if you're taking it. But here again, when you actually understand the way the market works, you've got this situation here, and then up, and you can preempt what's going to happen in the market. For example, you'll see here from here to here is bang on the 76% retracement, and I'll just redraw that in without extending it right. I always forget to do that. And you'll see the market's hit right on the actual 76%, and then the market's free to move higher. Happens time and time again. Quite amazing. And if you don't get a 76% retracement, you'll get 100%, you'll get double bottoms. There's lots of 76% retracements in here, and eventually the market break in there as well. Very powerful tool, very powerful tool. And in the daily chart, we can see there's some weakness around here. We've got absolutely nothing in this market to the upside. Again, keep things simple, keep them logical, and there's no buying in this market whatsoever. In fact, on closer inspection, this price bar, the volume is greater than the up bar from the previous day, which again is indicative of weakness coming back into this market. So keep an eye on it. If it breaks back to the downside, watch the 200 bar moving average and watch the low of this bar, which is, let's have a look at the 11th. The 11th of October, so that's a week ago today, if I'm correct in my thinking. Yep, that's right. So yeah, it's starting to get interesting whether they can hold this market or not, and any more interest rate increases is really going to put pressure on the stock market. But they're going to do the damnedest to bring it back. Take it from me, they're going to try and keep the illusion alive that everything is fine and dandy when it's not. And in Bitcoin sideways, nothing to report here at all, just very sideways, so no point in hanging around. That will do it for today. If there's anything else to report, I will let you know, but other than that, as ever, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.